Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. So last video you have seen that basic of Playwright and how you can check the node.js in your machine. So in this video I will show you how to download the Visual Studio Code and how to download the Playwright and integrate it with your application. And before download the Visual Studio Code, we will compare here the tool between the Playwright, Selenium and Cypress. First, we will talking about the language support. So Selenium supports Java, Python, C#, Ruby and JavaScript programming language. But if we talk about the Playwright, it supports JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, C# and Java. And Cypress supports only two programming language, which is JavaScript, TypeScript. And if we talk about the browser support, so Selenium supports the Chrome browser, Firefox, Safari, Edge and IE. But Playwright supports Chrome, Firefox, Safari and Edge. And Cypress supports Chrome and Firefox. If we talk about the speed and performance, so Selenium is slow because of the WebDriver and Playwright is faster because it's a test for the modern web application. So it's faster and it's controlled by direct the browser. If we talk about the Cypress, it's very fast because it's run inside the browser. And here we talk about the test execution. So we will compare Selenium, Playwright and Cypress with this text execution. So Selenium run outside browser. Manual wait means if we find any locator on the web page, we need to use the implicitly wait, explicitly wait or fluent wait. But in Cypress and Selenium, and Playwright, it's an inbuilt tool, auto wait. We don't need to wait for the manually in the DOM. It's automatically wait by the Playwright and Cypress or synchronize the page. So it's a very useful feature in the Playwright and Selenium, Cypress. And if we talk about the architecture, so Selenium uses WebDriver JSON protocol and Playwright is direct automation for browser, and Cypress run inside browser using node.js file. Authentication frames, if we talk about, so Selenium use the basic iframe and auth support, but Playwright it's used for the modern testing web application. So it's used the advanced iframe and multiple tab supports. And Cypress, it's used for the limited iframe and it is not used for the multi-tab supports. So now if we talk about the use cases, so Selenium is used for the cross-browsing testing or parallel testing, or it is very good for the legacy automation testing purpose. But if we talk about the Playwright, it's used for the modern web application and it's really fast because of the modern web application testing, and it's we can use the CI/CD in Playwright. And if we talk about the Cypress, it's great for the JavaScript front-end application and it's also integration testing for unit testing. And so if we talk about the summary of these tools, so Selenium is best for legacy application or multiple, it supports the multiple languages. But if we talk about the Playwright, it's more faster than the Selenium or Cypress because it's used for the modern web application testing purpose, and Cypress is best for the JavaScript based application. So now I will show you how to download the VS Code on your machine. So in Chrome we need to write the Visual Studio Code, and you will see this first link here, and I will click on this download. So whatever operating system you're using, you can select the either Windows application operating system or Mac operating system. So I'm using the Windows operating system, so I will click on the Windows, and you can see here it's downloaded already. So I will open the file because one is already open. It's already downloaded on my machine, so that's why I have to close right now. I just want to show you. Yeah, so this kind of window will open, and this is a license agreement. So you have to go all the way of down and say I accept the agreement. So select this option and click on next, and here you can see by default it selected the create a desktop icon and these two. So I want to leave it like that. I don't want to disturb this one. And click on the next option, and here ready to install. So I will select this install, and now let's start to setting up our Visual Studio Code on your machine. So all the files, everything will be like download, and it will take a couple of seconds to download. It's downloaded, and now I will click on finish. So you can see this kind of window will open, and you can see this is a Explorer, and this is the terminal. This one is a, if you want you can close it. So now you can create a new terminal or open here in the file, open the folder if you create here. So I already created a Playwright automation. So if I want to create a new one, so what I can do, I have to create a new go here. I will open the user folder, and then user folder I will select the public and create a new folder here. Right click and click on the new folder, and here I'm giving the name of a Playwright ext extension. Playwright. So you can see Playwright extension here. Now I will open my VS Code editor, and let me just put it here. Now I have to open the user public, and in this public now I will select this, or we can directly drag and drop in our you can see here drag and drop. Do you want to allow this and say open? So you can see here this I just created folder here, and this folder I just drag and drop in my Explorer. So now you can see here, if you want to close it, close it. If you want to open, what you can do, you can open and just directly go in the users and here and select the folder. So you can see here, yes, this kind of message will show. Trust the authors of all files in the parent folder public. I say yes, I trust author, and then you will able to see the okay. So you can open and this one, this is the folder. Okay, so we will create a new terminal here, and this I want to delete it. Clear the terminal, and this is the terminal. You can see here, new terminal. So you can see here the new project Playwright extension which we created, that is showing up. And open the, so view. Okay, so now here we are using the first of all, close this one, write sort by name. Okay, open it, Playwright document, and we will select this document, and here we will select here node.js and then document. So we have to install, and installing Playwright. So first we will use this one, Control C, and here we can use the and enter. See that Playwright is installed in this machine, and it is asking, do you want to use TypeScript or JavaScript? So I will select the JavaScript and enter, and then test, enter. Add a GitHub action workflow. So by default is showing the false, so I will say okay, enter. And install Playwright browser can be done manually, npx, this is the npx Playwright install, say true, and now it will install the Playwright. Here you can see the it's installing all the required files like 2 package, audit 6 package. Here download browser successfully, success of the, and you can see npx Playwright test if we want to run the test end to end. So we will use this command, and then if it is start interacting UI mode, we will use this command npx playwright test --UI. If we want to run on the desktop Chrome, so we will use this command npx playwright test project equal to Chrome, and this is for the specific file. So we can see everything here, all the files and everything is downloaded, and you will see in the end happy hacking. So this message will show up, and now we will see our project. Or here you can see the users, public, and then so Playwright configuration.js file, you can see here package -lock.json is kind of pom.xml where all the dependency and everything we have to keep it. So not this one package.json, so where we will keep all the dependency, and this is a configuration of the application we will use, and this is the test example.spec.js, and node modules you can see here, bin, playwright types, playwright -core, you will see all the files there, and also tests -example, you can see here, this is the default app.spec.js file, and if you want to download the Playwright, you need to use the extension here, extension Playwright test for VSCode, you can use here, or if you want to check the Playwright in a machine, so you will use the command palette here, install Playwright, and you can see all the browsers showing up here, Chrome browser, Firefox, WebKit, and because we are using the JavaScript, so we need to select the JavaScript and then OK. So here Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, JavaScript and GitHub, everything is checked. Now we'll click OK. Okay, all the click OK. So everything is installed in your machine, like JavaScript, everything it will show. So I will show you more in the next video. Thanks for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you will get the latest video. If you have any questions or query, please write on the comment. I will definitely respond you. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.